means to make Tulsi Ramayan इतना प्रसिद्ध, गंगा तट पे, यमुना तट पे वाल्मीकि रामायण से भी तुलसीदास रामायण प्रसिद्ध था, क्योंकि इसी छंद में ये तो तुलसी रामायण प्रथमता भक्ति काव्य, दूसरा तुलसीदास को राम ही परम प्रभु, इज सुप्रीम, इज नॉट मनुष्य, whereas Valmiki tries to make Rama to be a manushya shrestha. No, it was necessary for Tulsidas, because of the time he was living, that he needed a grantha. He needed a grantha which will unite people and to make them surrender to the Supreme. To him, even though he was a Shiva Bhakta, a Veda Bhakti Wala, but to him he wanted to make sure through this Katha, through this Gatha, Rama is the supreme person, second point. Then he made sure that Rama is supreme, but his qualities have to be imbibed. Rama Sarupa Tumara, you are a Parama Purusha. Bhajana Agochara Buddhi Par. Abhigata Akat, people say Akata, we cannot talk about you, we cannot price about you, you are beyond. No, I am seeing you in Chitrakoot. Abhigata Akata Apara. Ved says Neti, Neti, Neti. To me, you are here. Chandan Gisa. You have come and then grind Chandan for me. Chitrakoot Ghat Pe Santan Ki Bheed. Tulasidas Gise Chandan. Raghubir Kare Tilak. So I don't believe you are here. You have come and put tilak on me. Chandan. I was crushing Chandan. Paste. You came and you get that on me. Hey Prabhu. So those qualities. Lokanath. Tu kaisa ho? Ye to Lokanath hai. You are Pura Lokanath. But what did you ask? Kishkinda Kand mein aayega ye asya kya? He says to Sugriva, can I be your servant? What did Rama ask Sugriva? Sugriva, can I be your servant? Kaun hai tu? Lokanath, Pura Lokanath. Sugriva Natham Yachati. Can you believe? Wohi quality, imbibe karo. और इतना गहन विचार, intense चर्चा रामायण, gave up his country. He did not even come and do the antima kriya for his father. He didn't care as long as he is doing dharma paripalana. Gahana vichar. Parantu sarala bhasha. That is important. Kai kyo hua tulsi ki manas itna prasiddha. Gahana vichar. सरल सुंदरी भाषा, वर्नाकुलर, ग्रामीय भाषा में वाल्मीकि रामायण तो पंडित बोल सकते हैं. प्रथमता इन सदन देश में द्विज लोग ही वाल्मीकि रामायण प्रवचन करते हैं, परंतु गंगा तट पे अवधि में सुंदरी भाषा, सरलता भाषा, ग्रामीय भाषा में क्या गगन विचार, वही है. The most important thing, Tulsidas himself, without him knowing, Prabhu ki ichha, Parama Kripa se, he makes sure that he is none other than Valmiki. That is very important. Most of the people would have neglected this. It is very important. When people are reading this Gatta, 140th Dohe, if my memory serves, somewhere around that, look at it. The Chandas and Sorta. Normally, Tulsidas का structure तो दोहा होगा और चौपाई. दोस दोहे और चौपाई से वो कथा flow करेगा. Tulsidas will use this meter, doha, unequal structure, or chaupai, equal structure. He will use to tell the story of Ramayana. But intermittently he will use sorta or he will use chandas. When he uses chandas, it is to eulogize Swami and to tell his views as told by Tulsidas. There will always in the entire structure. If you look at Tulsi Ramayan, if you study Tulsi Ramayan, you will know When he uses chandas, he will always say Tulsi kahe, Tulsi ki naat. He will say as if he is saying, but it is only in this place when Valmiki praises Ram, in the entire structure of Tulsi Manas, in this chandas, he will not say Tulsi. He will say as if Valmiki is saying, Shruti setu palaka Rama. Count me if I am right or wrong. तुलसी सेतु पालक राम. तुम ये छंदस है अयोध्या कांड में ही आता है, एक ही स्थान में आता है. That too when Valmiki, Ram meets Valmiki for the first time, Valmiki is eulogizing Ram, and Tulsidas, without him knowing, makes sure he slips his name, and as if it is Valmiki praising. So people in Uttar Desh mein, in Ganga Tat pe, they come in throngs when this chandas is recited on that particular day. Even if I say goosebumps comes, that this is nothing but Valmiki Ramayanam eva Tulasi Ghata. And if you have to study Pade Pade or through some Maharaj, otherwise you will not know this. Isiliye Parama Kripa. So people think, people will ever think that it is none other than Valmiki Ramayan, but full and full of bhakti. Avadh mein, ग्रामीय भाष में, सरल भाष में गहन विचार, इसीलिए तुलसी रामायण. दिस इज द रीजन. श्रुति से तु पालक राम, तुम जगदीश माया जानकी. ये तो माया, आपकी माया तेरी पत्नी, आप तो जगदीश. श्रुति से तु, यू आर द बाउंड्री फॉर यू इज नथिंग बट वेद. तो आप ही परम पुरुष जो सृजति जगु पालती हरति, रुक पाई कृपा निधान की. कृपा निधि आप जो सहसरीसु अहीसु महिदरु. You are the thing. Who is your brother? He is none other than Veda Swarupi, 1,000-headed snake. Lakanu Sagachara Dhani Mahidaru Surakaja Dhari Nararaja. You have taken the form of a Nararaj. Yeah, who is Raja? Ranjati iti Raja, who mesmerizes people. Surakaja Dhari Nararaja Tanu. You have taken avatar as a Raja, Nararaj. You are none other than Paramapita. Chale dhala nakala nisichara ani. Chale dhara kala nisichara ani. You are going to crush adharma. Valmiki says, never ever Tulsi in this chandas, the only place in the entire Tulsi Ghata, he never uses his name Tulasi Kahe. It is as if Valmiki is praising. So if Valmiki is praising and telling the Suddha Swarupa, Gagana Vichar, Gagana Vishayako, Valmiki Vani, isiliye Tulsi Ramayana, people accept this 600 years ago, that this is nothing but whatever is said in Tulsidas is Satya. Ye Valmiki Ramayana meva. One major fact. And this is what great Kathavachaks, Parama Pujaniya, Ramayani, Kripashankar Maharaj Jaisa Log, they went gaum with Petromax light. Small villages, they said, look, don't worry if you don't understand Girvani. It is for us. Tulsidas have come because mercy, Lord ki mercy. He had come and used your same avadh, Rama Sarupa Tumar, their own bhasha. Bhachana agochar buddhi par. Abhigata akhata apar neti nita nigama kaha. The way it is recited easy for Gaon log. Whereas it is a Guhyak, whereas it is a Nishad, whereas it is a Gram, Keti Valo. Easy, recitation is easy. That is the reason when the story flows, he will use Chaupai, equal structure, easy to memorize, Kantastha Karna, easy. And then when he is telling about the Rama Guna, his views, he uses the Doha. But when it comes to infusing his views and eulogy and other things, either he uses Sorata or Chandas. When he uses Chandas, always he makes sure it is from him. But in this place, he says it is Valmiki. Ye mera guru, then people accepted that Tulsi is none other than upper avatar of Valmiki Bhagavan. Isiliye Gita Press took it upon itself and it brought Kathavachaks, Sanskrit, Awadh, Bhojpuri. They are fluent in that. Gaon, next to Gita. This is the second biggest selling book, not even Valmiki Ramayana, Tulsi Gatha. So Tulsi Ramayana, that is why when Ramanand Sagar took that episode, an epic, mostly it is based on Tulsi Gatha. This Srota should know. If you had studied Ramayana, this important fact you know. I didn't say. Parama Pujaniya Ramayani Ji ne bataya. I am no one compared to those. If you want to see Bhagavat, you have to listen from Dongreji Maharaj. You want to listen Ramayana, Tulsi Ramayana, वो तो रामायण जी. ये तो गीता प्रेस ने इतना बहुत बहुत उपकार किया. That is the reason today in North India, particularly in Ganges, Yamuna, Sarayu third, Bhagavat also second only, because it is difficult. It is in Sanskrit. There is no such translation or such expression of Bhagavat in vernacular. That is why Bhagavat Pravachan took second stage. Danyo, but Bhagavat is Bhagavat anyway. But what is important is this is Rama Katha, Rama Nam Satya.